11. So you'll be ready for this pretty soon, huh?
He's already pitching.
Yeah, good for you. This is Brandon.
Hey, Brandon.
He's 10.
This is Parker.
Yeah? Oh, I like that name.
Oh, hit him.
What's that mean?
He gets first
I
base.
hit him.
So
You
you
know, like
gotta
you've
be
been
in
hit
what?
before.
You gotta be in what, about 6th grade?
5th.
5th?
Yeah, we didn't send him till he was 6. I did it with the older one just so they'd be a little bit older,
Yeah.
sports-wise, and
Yeah.
This isn't much padding.
you know, it's not meant to be a lot of that.
Justin's up next. They gotta rotate and move a lot of boys.
Why is the camera expand? Look. It's filming.
Because it comes out to be more sharp, and you can, when you press this, it makes it go in, press that, it makes it go out further. So that you can focus in and focus out.
Is that focus in?
Oh, nope, that's going to be an out. That's going to be an out. There it is. Got to retrace your steps.
You have to go backwards.
You got to go back and touch the base if you go past it.
Oh. Looks kind of like that other one. The guy was out because he didn't make it for a second.
Look, Mom. I can't see anything.
It's like just
I'll push on. Put your nail on. I found a perfect spot with the fences in the way to take pictures of it for space column.
I already took a bunch.
Wasn't I in that fishing thing over
Eventually.
They took Colin's number.
He's 18.
Is that how old he is?
You know how old he will be.
I'm gonna take a picture of him.
Is that Zane warming up over there for Tom?
I took a video.
Don't.
I did sign.
Because that takes up a lot of my space.
I didn't take a video. I took this picture. So you get hurt?
Nope.
What did you do?
He goes, whoa, so he jumped. And it went right about where his feet are. Oh, that's great.
Did you guys drive up here or fly?
We drove.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you have good weather on the way up?
Oh, yeah, it really was.
It really did.
We stopped in Schaumburg and went to the medieval times
Oh, did
for
you?
this one. So that
Yeah.
we kind of went to Chicago. We went a roundabout way. We went that way to go that way. But it was a fun little day.
Did you like that show?
Did you like it, bud?
Yeah.
It was fun. And then we drove through, just kind of got here about 2 in the morning.
Oh, my.
Can this thing flip over?
Up over that thing? If a wind blows, gust catches it, absolutely. Let's not try it.
Let's see if it will. Can't you bend it somehow with the strings?
I don't know.